Oh, my delivery's finally here. I'll grab it a bit later. Too busy now. Hey, come back here. It's mine. If I had a cam in the front yard, I could have seen the thief's face. A huge pile of poop right on the lawn again? I wish I had an outdoor cam. I would have had a serious talk with the dog owner. Luckily, Eufy sent me their latest outdoor 4K camera kit, the eufyCam S330, for review so I can test the cams and identify the disturber of my peace. This is a sponsored video, but everything I'll be talking about has been personally tested by me. Therefore, the info I share is based on my experience using the cam kit. Okay, let's discuss the content. As you can see, the cams are very compact, although they accommodate a 13,000 mAh battery and a solar panel that enables them to operate all year long without the need for regular charging. In a perfect world, 2 hours in direct sunlight are all you need to keep the cams powered up. Yet, it's capable of juicing up the cam even while being obstructed too. If there aren't many sunny days where you live, you can simply charge them once a year using the USB-C port. I have a Ring Spotlight Plus cam installed in the backyard. To match the performance provided by Eufy, I'd need to purchase an expensive solar panel and drill 2 additional holes for mounting. Additionally, I had to buy an extra battery for replacement while the depleted one is charging. By the way, if you own a Ring cam, you need to recharge it every few months. Next to the cams here, there's a hub. This is Eufy's most feature-rich hub to date, Homebase 3. It stores video clips that the cams recorded on a local server. Yep, no cloud storage, which is safer. Eufy boasts military-grade protection for the data, plus you're the sole owner of the content, not a third-party company that may experience a data leak. Yet the thing that impressed me the most is called Bionic Mind AI. Eufy claims it can instantly detect and recognize humans, cars, and animals. It can even organize faces, similar to what Google Photos does. Now you can instantly know when a stranger's at the door or when your family arrives home safely. Bionic Mind utilizes self-learning algorithms that enhance recognition accuracy, improving over time. Regardless of your attire or approach to the cam during facial and body shape scans, can't wait to test it, my Ring cam lacks that feature. The hub comes with 16 GB of internal memory, which should be enough for 3 months of video clip recording. When it's full, the videos will re-record on their own. You don't need to clean the memory and free space for new vids. In case that capacity isn't enough, it's possible to add a hard drive of up to 16 terabytes of storage, although Eufy says that 4 terabytes should be enough for an insane 60 years. Okay, enough talking. Let's install the cams and finally see their performance. My Ring cam is placed under the balcony, but Eufy cams need sunlight. That's why I install them in direct sunlight with minimum shadows. Well, I should say they're easy to mount, one in the backyard, the other one in the front yard. Finally, I'll have a cam there too. Good, it's time to launch the app and adjust the settings. First things first, I want to see how the 4K resolution looks, so I set 4K recording quality for both cams. That's a serious upgrade because the Ring cam can shoot in full HD only. Here you can see me holding the license plate at different distances from the cam. Check this out. Thanks to incredible 4K quality, you can see the numbers on the license plate in detail. Same goes to the faces of all people who might appear in the cam's view. Another great thing is that you can zoom the pic up to 8 times in live stream mode. Let's move to the backyard, test the other cam, and also compare it with Ring. Eufy is definitely a winner, showing the tiniest details with high precision. Speaking of objects appearing in the cam's view, I don't want the cam to react to every movement and be flooded with endless notifications. That's why I set up the activity zone in the app, so the cam won't react to actions outside of the zone. I'm interested in the driveway and the lawn. On the other hand, it's possible to set privacy zones, which cam will neither monitor or record. Okay, this is just me approaching the driveway and took the cam just a couple of seconds to spot the movement and send a notification to my phone. The cam sensitivity can be set to different levels. Here I get out of the car and the cam detects me since I've made some adjustments beforehand in the app. This way it's possible to set the faces of all family members and they'll be identified by their names. To save battery, the cam records video clips as long as the movement lasts, but no more than 120 seconds. It's time to test the performance in low light conditions. For night shooting, there are a couple of options. For example, here's a standard black and white infrared shot captured with crisp and sharp details with all the lights off. In addition, it's possible to activate the spotlight, which turns on only when motion is detected. This way, the cam shoots colored videos. It's worth mentioning that when the porch lights are on, the pic is still in color, as you can see here. However, in my personal opinion, the standard infrared for black and white mode is more than sufficient. I should say a backyard cam is a must. It can provide you with details of nighttime activities that you may not have known existed, even if it's just a raccoon. Additionally, it might help protect your property, especially when you're far away from home. eufyCam also boasts two-way audio, and I couldn't resist the pleasure of testing it in real terms.
I'm gonna give you to the count of 3 to get your lousy, lying, low-down pork-flushing carcass out my door.
As you see, the audio is loud and crisp. I find this feature really useful, especially when you need to scare off uninvited guests. What's my final verdict? I find the eufyCam very cool with its AI feature, 4K resolution, excellent night vision, and free storage. It's clearly superior to my Ring Cam, both in features and at the price point. Consider for yourself, if you estimate all the costs for 2 cams on solar panels, additional batteries, and a monthly subscription, Eufy comes out much cheaper over time. Going 2 years without Ring subscription already makes this kit cost-effective. These are just numbers, but they speak volumes. I'm also extremely pleased with the fact that I won't have to climb a ladder every few months to charge the batteries, so I no longer need the Ring Cam and can safely remove it. Follow the link in the description to get the eufyCam 3 at the best price.